Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to lock iPhone screen from touch on any iPhone. Now to do that, first of all, just open settings, then tap on accessibility. Now in accessibility, you will find the option of guided access. Just tap on it. And from here, just make sure you enable guided access on your iPhone. Now once you enable guided access on your iPhone, just go to your home screen and open any app on your iPhone. For an example, I will open the Photos app. Now to lock the touch of the screen, just press the power button 3 times. Now once you press the power button 3 times, this screen will appear. From here, just tap on Session Settings. And from this menu, just disable touch. Then tap on Done. Now from here, just select Start. Now it will ask you to create a passcode. Now just create your passcode. Now just enter your passcode one more time to confirm your passcode. Now once you do that, you will lock the touch on your iPhone. Just like that. Now to disable this option, just press the power button 3 times. Now it will ask you to enter the passcode which we have created. Now from here, just select End. And you will enable the touch of the screen again. And this is how you can lock iPhone screen from touch on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.